Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 420D M Sport 2-door coupe. As you can see, this vehicle is presented in Melbourne red, features a wide array of sought after BMW options alongside the stunning Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit. At the front of the car you can see the Angel Out and Xenon headlamps alongside the stunning 19-inch 442M BMW alloys, and of course behind those you'll see on this vehicle we've got the M Sport Plus brakes. And we do also get the full M Sport Plus package alongside those. Down the side, satin side vinyls, gloss back sidebars and the YNC Mperformance decals. Again, thanks to the Plus package, there is also the sun protection glazing, and inside the vehicle, working really well with that wonderful exterior colour, is a full black Dakota leather. This one does come with the heated and electric lumbar option front seats. Harman Kardon surround sound, which is a great option, gives the interior a really nice feel. Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement, as you can see there, that's all been kept in superb condition. Central folding armrest, darkened M Sport headlining. It's also got the 7-speed automatic on this vehicle. Around towards the back of the car now, you can see there, once again, those alloys really are very clean on this vehicle, and they really do suit the 4 Series extremely well. Gloss black rear boot spoiler, and then the satin rear diffuser. And if you've not yet seen the boot capacity, of course for coupe vehicles it can sometimes be a little snug in there. Not the case for the 4 Series, it is a very big boot space. Split folding seats as well. And we'll close that down, head round to the driver's side. Once again, you can see for yourself, this is a really lovely and clean and tidy example. Before we take a seat inside the car, we'll just have one look at the driver's side of the vehicle. Again, everything's really nice and clean and tidy. The Melbourne red really works well under the showroom lights or out in the sunlight. If we had any, I'd be outside there today. Inside, we've got the professional wide navigation and media screen. As you can see, currently on the multimedia listings, there's music collection, CD, DVD, external devices for AUX and USB, and of course Bluetooth audio, DAB. Having that bigger screen is a really nice feature, especially when it comes to using the sat-nav system, which is a really easy one to use. The car's covered just over 56,000 miles, and we'll shortly go through and show you the service requirements and service history. Down here is the dual climate controls along with the switches for the front heated seats. Vehicle information screen, as you can see, and in just a moment everything's highlighted in green. The next service isn't due for 10,000 miles time. Up at service history, there's comprehensive full BMW history with this vehicle. The most recent service was at 49466. That was for an engine oil and microfilter, so your service maintenance free for 10,000 miles time, and your next service will be an interim check. Cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all on a multifunction M Sport steering wheel. So there is a look around at this superb 4 Series M Sport 2-door coupe. If you would like some more information on the car, if you look below the video in the description, there will be a link to our website, and you can view all of the prices and funding options that are available. From us all here at Your Next Car, thanks very much for watching. Do of course take care, and we shall see you in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.